Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. My name is Shayla and I've got a quick video. It's kind of like me walking you through step by step, showing you how I apply my makeup and do my hair. So hopefully you'll enjoy it. You'll take something from it if you're a beginner doing makeup, because I am very much a beginner. Maybe I know some tips, but I don't really want to do all that because I feel like doing makeup takes too long. And the best that I have is this look right here. Like, this is my all the time everyday look, and it's super simple. Most of it is like drugstore makeup. Some of it is like, you know, a little bit of the like higher end makeup, but we'll get into that. Overall, it's pretty much all affordable. So you know what, with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in to the clip of me doing my hair and makeup, and enjoy. Alright, so I'm just going to jump right in. If you see me looking up, it's because I'm looking at like the video. So I'm starting with the NYX Duo brow brush, and I'm using the upward motion. I've really been trying to learn how to feather my brows, so like Beyonce. So I'm really trying to like get into doing that. So this is new, but basically what I do is, you see me like lining the bottom, and then once I line the bottom, I pretty much just do like hair-like strokes. Now, let's talk about this brow pencil that I'm using. The NYX one is not my favorite. It used to be my favorite for a really long time. This one that I'm using there, you probably can tell that it's a little bit too light. It's in the color Espresso, and that's not the color of my eyebrow hair, but it's all I had because I ran out of the ColourPop black and brown. Now this, I feel like if you're heavy-handed, you might not really like this because it applies really, really dark. So you have to use extremely light strokes. But if you've never tried the ColourPop brow pencil, definitely give it a try. It's like, I think it's like $8 on ColourPop. I just ran out, so I'm gonna need to place another order of that. So once I go ahead and like line my brows, and I really just use like the natural shape of my brows. I really don't do any like extravagant art, you know. It's too much. I just do what my brows already look like, and I try to just make them look neat. And then you'll see me going in with my contour little thing here from NYX. Now, I use two different brushes when I am like cleaning my, what do you call it? Like, yeah, I guess cleaning them up. I use the angle brush first, and then I always start with the lighter color at the bottom, and then at the top, like, because you know those halo brows? When I was a beginner doing my brows, I may have had halo brows. These are some old pictures, but you might have seen me with halo brows. But I always follow it up with a bigger brush. Now getting into my foundation, y'all, I was so happy when I found out that there was actually foundation left in this. Like, if you can see, it's basically gone. So when I pumped it, I honestly think that I pumped too much. I usually don't use that much foundation, but I was just like, there's some more left, and I don't know, went kind of crazy. And I'm just using my Real Techniques foundation brush. It works like a charm for me. I love this brush. It's like the only one I use for foundation. I don't use like those sponges or anything. Okay, so going back to my brows, that's what I'm saying. The small part of the brush, it can leave that little line, you know, that little line that I really don't like. So to kind of even it out, I use the bigger MAC brush, and I feel like it just kind of cleans it up better and makes it look more natural, rather than the smaller angle brush from NYX. It's like so precise. So it's just my personal preference. Okay, so this is a new step that I did like that day. I don't know, I guess I was feeling fancy. I used this Laura Geller bronzer. I feel like I used too much. I don't know if you guys can like really see that, but usually what I do is I go in with my NYX contour palette and I use that brown one right there. I try to darken it up because I felt like it looked too rosy, the bronzer, but usually I just do that, and I don't know, I felt fancy. I just got this Laura Geller bronzer, so I used it that day, and I was definitely like a little too heavy on that. But I don't know, I guess it worked out. Now on to highlight. You guys, this highlight that Makeup Shayla did with ColourPop, it's called Boomin. It's literally Boomin. Like, I love it so much. It's loose powder. I'm gonna probably have it forever because I don't use a lot of highlight, but it goes on kind of strong, but as you see, like as you keep brushing, it really does even out. So yeah, I really like that. Okay, so actually we're almost finished with makeup. On my lips, you'll see me line it with, it's an eyebrow pencil, I guess. But I use it as a lip liner. I honestly didn't even know this was an eyebrow pencil until I was typing this up for you guys. So I line it with that. And I honestly just use the liner just because that makeup or that lipstick is so easy to kind of like, you know, it's like when you're coloring. It's so easy to go outside the lines. I just really use the liner for that. But you just basically use a natural one. And then the Urban Decay All Nighter, it's like, I don't know, everybody says it's really good. It's okay, you know. It's $35, I want to say it's $35, kind of pricey for me, but yeah, that's what I use to set. Now let's see here. Okay, so onto my hair. I was loving these puffs, you guys, but if you do a style like the one that I'm showing you right there, I would just say to do it maybe a couple of days. Like I left those in for what, 4 days? And that, no, yeah, 4 days, and my hair was just so dry and it was really hard to detangle it. So just word to the wise, like it's a really cute style, but when you have your hair up like that, you kind of forget about it. You kind of forget to like maybe spray it. Well, at least I did. So it was just kind of tough that way. But yeah, I'm just using water and gel. And that's pretty much it. I really loved those 2 pigtails that I used. Like I got so many compliments on it. I feel like that look is coming back, or maybe it had already been back and I just wasn't aware. But yeah, I'm gonna do my baby hair off camera, I know, coming up here. So if you guys, I don't know, this is how I've been wearing my baby hair lately ever since I learned that you put a scarf on there. Yeah, that's basically it. That is it, you guys. That is my little makeup, hair, walk through tutorial. Again, I'm like really simple when it comes to makeup. Like that, what I just did just then, that's what I do every single day. I literally don't know any other tricks. I don't contour. Well, I probably have contoured before, but I'm not crazy about it. It's just like simple, very minimal. And as you can see, like I pretty much used mostly drugstore products. Let me see, I can honestly count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 higher end makeup products. Everything else is drugstore. So I don't know, I guess it's all about balance, and it's all about what you can afford. I stay in my lane. Typically I can afford NYX, so that's the lane that I'm in. But I mean, I'm not opposed to trying other brands, so it's just really about what I know and what I'm learning. So if you have any thoughts or tips or tricks that you think I should know, definitely like let me know in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SayShaynaTX. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.